And welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how to get logged into our Crunchyroll account. So first of all, launch a browser. In my case, I will be using Chrome. At the top search bar, type in login Crunchyroll. Then you'll see crunchyroll.com that says Crunchyroll login. Go ahead and tap onto the link itself. Once done, you will get to a page like this. Now in here under email address, type in the email address that is related with your Crunchyroll account. Once done, type in your password. Once you have entered your credentials, tap on Login. If your credentials are correct, you will be able to get logged into your Crunchyroll account. Or in case you're having difficulty, let's say you forgot your password, you're going to have to tap on Forgot Password. And it will ask you to provide your email address. Once you have provided your email address, a verification or login code or login reset password link will be sent to your email. And from there, you can go ahead and reset your password. So guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.